Okay, we've got all the pieces for the main frame cut and clamped together, nothing glued. So we've got each of the 4 legs here, and then we've got the lower joist on both sides with a 3/8 inch inset there, although on one of them it's actually almost more like a 1/2 inch, so we're going to have to adjust for that. But this is not in there firm, it's just in there as a placeholder. The insets have been cut into the legs, and they're compressed together so that it's almost completely, so it's tight up there in the 6.5 inch width on the inside. We've got the upper joist on the edge right here on each side in there, and then we got 2 4-inch boards cut for the center joist, and of course the truss will come up from diagonal from each of the sides. Now on each side we've got the 3-inch apron attached, and then on the lengthwise on each side we've got the long 3-inch length, which this is a little bit off on the assembly, but it'll be 40 inches right there. It'll come out to 40 inches. So I'm going to take it all apart, sand it down, and then we'll reassemble it and put it together with adhesive. Okay, this shows us where we are here at the end of this adhesive process. I've got this thing all assembled and all the adhesive in, except for the top joists in the center. I still have to, those are all cut and sanded off and ready to go. I just need to glue them in, but I've got all these other ones glued. So you can see right here I got this one 3-inch screw. So I put 2 3-inch screws, deck screws in here, and then the ends I put 2, and I'm going to put 2.5. Got it done on the other side. So it's 2 3s here, and then a couple of 2.5s on the end, just to keep that from warping as it sits out in the weather and stuff. Here, all along this side, I've got 5 of them that are 3 inches deep. Now, the 2 end ones go into the 2.5-inch legs. One here, and then in the middle, I've got 3 screws that hold up the middle joist, the middle upper. I'm sorry, the end upper joist. So it's all done here, and it's all done here. The 3 in the middle is what's holding up this joist, in addition to the glue. So to secure it, I might go ahead and put another little piece along here. But at any rate, that's kind of where we stand with that. So I just got these 3 last screws to put in here, and this, and then we're ready to put in the truss. So these are all glued in here. There's a little bit of wobble here on this thing, but it is definitely in the center. Easily can be moved. This is actually going to be the bottom side right here. But you see it fits in there pretty well right in the middle. So it was all assembled with the adhesive, the Loctite 3X Premium Polyurethane That's what I use for all these joints. And then I use these clamps, clamp it together in place until I could get screws in there, which was a job to get them all in there and assembled. Now I assembled it, I put all the adhesive on with it in standing position, and it's on this level cabinet here, so it should be good and level. We can check that level right here just to see how level it is. And by golly, it looks like it's right pretty much on the money.